Hi, I'm Allan Lankin with Motorsport Alley here at the Motorama show in Toronto, Ontario. I'm here with Noble Keto of Lankin Electric Welders. Why don't you just tell us a little bit about yourself and the company and how you involved with the racing community?
Thank you. First off, I'm with Lankin in the retail division, and my job is to support Lankin products and the Canadian Tires, the Home Depots, other large box accounts. The reason why we're here, quite frankly, is to promote welding and in the welding industry, the fabrication business. You mentioned racing. We're very much a part of the NASCAR scene, even the Canadian Racing Series. Gary Elliott has a car right behind you, which we sponsor. And there's a lot of other programs that we're involved in, but more importantly, we want to try to get youth involved into these trade skills and to build a career. And that's why we're here to try to not only promote just the Lankin brand, but welding overall.
As a company, what separates you from all the other welding brands in the industry?
Well, we like to think that we support local communities. A lot of our product is made domestically, so we have people working here in North America making our products and consuming them, and that's a very valuable thing. The other thing is, when you buy Lankin, especially our machines, we have people that have bought machines over 40 years ago, and they still come to us, and we have the parts available for them. So we have a long tradition. We're over a 100-year-old company, and anybody that buys from us has the confidence in knowing that their machines will be serviced over the long run.
Thank you, Noble, for your time. Once again, I'm Allan Lankin from Motorsports Alley.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.